Hello and welcome back to the Venetian Expo Hall where I'm here with Goran. Goran, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I do a lot of databases, I do a lot of user group stuff, and do a lot of Java, MySQL. That's kind of world I live in.
And where is that world? What's your company?
I live in Belgrade, Serbia, in Europe, and I don't know, travel a lot.
All over the place.
Yeah. I watched that QC show that you ran.
CQ.
CQ show. Remember that CQ show is one of the sources. I had a database specialty beta test yesterday. Yeah, so.
And how did you go? How was it?
It looks like kind of easy.
Okay.
It's kind of boring. You migrate.
Hold on, you said boring?
Yeah, you migrate data from this part, from here to here, here to here. Just a lot of questions like that. Maybe I would like some more tricky questions like other stuff. But just it's all about migrating to the cloud. And once you're in the cloud, how to make it more secure and things like you need to know stuff like IAM, all security stuff, CloudFormation. But in general, it's easier than I expected. I would say that the most complicated thing is that people that do databases are usually specialized in one thing. Like I like MySQL. But if you want to pass this one, you have to know things about PostgreSQL or Neptune or DocumentDB, DynamoDB. Okay, and also I was surprised that there's only one question about how developers use it, like in DynamoDB, primary, global index, and stuff like that. So I would really like questions like that to be there in the exam. But who knows? This is just a beta, and till it's final, we'll see. Maybe it's going to change. Yeah.
Well, this is great feedback, and we do actually have in the audience some of our certification teams, so hopefully they've took that on board. So tell us, Goran, how did you prepare for that exam?
Oh, I watched that QQ show, CC show, yeah? That was the only source, so.
Thanks, Goran. All right, so let's.
Nothing, didn't really prepare. I think that most of the things are just kind of simple for anyone who is doing databases.
Awesome, so if we refer to our board here, point out which certifications do you currently have and where are you going to next?
Okay, so at the moment I have this associate one, and what I really want to do is this data analytics specialty. That's the one. Okay, I want to go this way, and also a machine learning because I really don't get it as most of the people yet. So that's something like a big thing for me. I want to dive in, and that's probably it.
Awesome. So tell us a little bit about your blog, Mad About Cloud, right?
That's the name. Well, it's mostly about databases. I really like that. I had a really big experience, like 20 years of doing whatever technology databases, and I would suggest because go to my blog post if you want to see where I complain about AWS stuff, because I'm really complaining. And now I have like phone numbers of product managers because now I'm in this Data Hero program. So if you have any problems that are not solved by AWS, just call me and I'll call them.
So you're a data hero. Real quick, tell us what that includes. What are you doing as a data hero for AWS?
Yeah, I just want to show people how easy it is. I want to put that message on the table because it's overwhelming. There's a lot of things, and so we need to translate that message to the user groups, blog posts, stuff like that. So people should not be afraid of these big things. It's all simple at the end.
Fantastic, Goran. Thank you so much for joining me today.
CQ show, yeah, that's the one.
Thanks, Goran. If you want to find out more about certification, please log on to aws.certification. Have a look there. We have the training and certification booth right here to my right. Come down, speak to some of our experts who are down here on the expo floor. And for now, tuning out back to the main stage. Thank you.